Hey guys, Neil here. In this update of Asphalt 9, we have got 7 new cars. Let's have a look at them. This is the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC. It's a pretty bad car. The only thing that saves this is acceleration. Rest everything is horrible. This is the Mazda Furai, the car which was seen in the leaked manga. Although I have to say I'm pretty surprised that it's in the D class. The top speed is pretty decent considering it's in class D. Acceleration is extremely good. The nitro and the handling appear to be average. Definitely it's not going to be the king of its class, but it won't be a bad car looking at its stats. And oh boy, this is the Shelby GR1. It has to be the ugliest car I've ever seen in my life. Anyways, the speed is pretty average. Acceleration and nitro are decent. Handling is also decent. I think it could go to 315 or 320 when maxed out. I think it would be available in this upcoming syndicate event. And this is the Ital Design 01. This was also featured in the leaked manga alongside the Furai. Its stats are pretty good. The top speed is pretty nice, and considering that it can be 4 starred, I expect it to improve by a lot. Acceleration is boy oh boy extremely good looking at the stats. Nitro and handling do appear average, but I think they will improve a lot as we star up this car. I have to say it kind of should be like a 488 GTB maxed out. And this is the Tech Rulers 89 6 track version. Top speed is good considering it's 350 and we can 6 star this car. It should improve by a lot. It could go 365 or 70. But one thing I would like to tell you guys is that this won't be available in the upcoming syndicate event. As according to some rumors, this would be available in a later update, just like the previous cars like the Zenvo, which was made available only 5 months after it was added. Going by the stats, acceleration is extremely good. Nitro and handling are average, I would say, but I do expect that it would improve by a lot. This could certainly be a co-king of its class, but let's see when we get to drive this car, which would happen, I guess, a long time. It would take a long time, in my opinion. Oh, sorry, guys. I extremely sorry. I forgot this. This is the Corvette ZR1 in the Osaka event, which is going on in Asphalt 9, where we can drive on the Osaka track and have experience of it. This is the car which is used. I have to say it's a good replacement for the Grand Sport. Top speed is good, and believe me, guys, its nitro and acceleration are absolutely amazing. I'm really looking forward to this car. I can't imagine how awesome it would be at 5 stars. The only thing that, in my opinion, prevents this from becoming the best is its handling. Because when maxed out, I expect its speed to go about 350 or 355. And finally, here we have the new Class S car, the Rimac Concept 2. If you guys have been following the automotive news recently, you would be aware that this is essentially the Rimac Concept 2. It's written C2 because Rimac calls it C2, or rather its code name, but its actual name is Rimac Concept 2. Its top speed is monstrous. I think it would easily beat the Chiron in terms of top speed when it's maxed out. And acceleration is godly, literally. Handling and nitro are pretty average. This is just like what would happen if you combine the top speed and the drifting of Zenvo with the handling and acceleration of Batista. It's a sort of like the child of Batista and Zenvo. I'm expecting it to be the syndicate car that is which would be coming in next few days. At 6 star, this is definitely going to be, if not the king, it could certainly be the second best car of its class. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe to the channel.